Good. I would define a teacher as an expert in learning design. Okay, this is what a teacher is. A teacher is an expert in learning design. And as an expert in learning design, and I speak on behalf of my profession of educators, we choose and use the best tools to get the best job done at that moment in time. Sometimes that involves opening up a laptop. Sometimes it involves intentionally putting one away. Sometimes it will involve designing learning where the students have been put into groups of 3, but the 4th member of their group is a AI chatbot who's going to be a part of their group and their group task moving forwards, and they're working together, the 4 of them. This is, the cusp of, real human computer collaboration that we're seeing. But to go back to what I said at the start, the role of the teacher here is clear. The teacher is the expert in learning design. That's what they've studied to do. They understand about student development, cognitive development, social development, moral, ethical development. They understand what the priorities are for their education system, their curriculum priorities, content, skills, dispositions. Then the expert in learning design, the teacher, weaves those together. That's where they make the magic. It's where the science of learning and the art of teaching come together in the hands of that teacher in that classroom who knows their learners and how they learn, who knows their curriculum and how to teach. And when you meet those teachers, and they're everywhere, and they talk about generative AI, they're pulling the bits in and they're weaving them into their learning design because they know that learning is social, is immersive, is connected to purpose, is connected to passion, involves students being empowered with voices and choices and agency to go and create new content themselves. So, I'm kind of excited for the profession because I think, this is a pivotal moment where an incredibly powerful tool has been made available to everybody. And providing we keep in mind the safeguards and we keep in mind what our role is as experts in learning design, then I don't see that, a robot is coming to take your job in the classroom happening very soon. But I do think we'll see, and we are seeing the whisper of new models emerging, new approaches emerging for how learning is designed. And part of that is fueled by the potential of generative AI. Part of that is the legacy of what's happened over the last 2-3 years with a sudden push globally to remote learning and an explosion of renewed focus on hybrid models, remote models, and blended models of learning.